Hi, welcome back to my quilt room. I'm Brenda, and I have a really quick, easy, scrappy project for you today. I've seen a lot of videos of people making what they're calling a potato chip block, and I didn't know what that was. I did watch another video, which is the one that I watched, and it was called Broken Courthouse Steps. Well, I made a courthouse steps quilt before. So when I watched that, after I watched them make it, I realized, oh, this is what everyone is calling the potato chip block. Well, a while back, a friend of mine gave me a garbage bag filled with scraps. And my husband and I are going to be making a pretty big move here in the next couple of months. And I thought I really want to get these ironed and cut up and organized. And so when I watched this project, I thought that is it. That's what I'm going to do with all of those scraps. So down here in front of me, and this is just a small sampling, I have piles of these that there was no reason to put out that many piles. But what I did after I cut them, I sorted them by color groups. And so this is the block that we're making. And it's very simple. It's a no waste project because you can use your scraps. It's very easy to put together. All you need are 18 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangles. And if you see, you're going to start with 2 in the middle. This is how you'll sew it together. 2 in the middle with 1/4 inch seam allowance. And then you will sew another one at each end. And you're just going to, as with the courthouse steps, build out. So it'll take 2 on each side, and then another 2 and another 2. You'll end with 3 sewn together on each side. That's 18 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangles. And when you have them all sewn together like this will square up to a 12-inch square block. And as you can see over my shoulder, I showed you in the last video, this was my Toss 9 patch quilt that I made, and I did it quilt as you go. These would be such an easy, scrappy project to just quilt them any way you want as you go. So if you have lots of scraps that you need to cut up, this would be a great, easy project. I just sat, and I don't even know how many are in this pile that I have already made. There's really no rhyme or reason. You can put them together any color that you want. You could make a pile that's mostly green or blue and just have fun with it. This is a great way to use up maybe some of that unwanted material or material that you think is ugly and you just don't know what to do with it. You could put it into this project. So until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye.